Alright, here's an rm125. I'm going to show you how to get the flywheel off and also the stator. So you're going to take a 3/8 or whatever, 14mm socket. You can also use the tusk clutch and flywheel holder, so the prongs, but I opted not to do that. So let's hold the crankshaft. That way it doesn't bounce around. Get that off. And then you want to take the actual flywheel puller. What size is this? This is the most common size, as you can see. It's been used a lot. It's almost stripped, but we'll get it in there. It's a reverse thread, as you can see. Alright, now 3 1/4 open end, and then excuse me, another crescent wrench. So we're going to tighten this down. Hold this here, make sure it's tight, the crescent wrench, and then turn this. Alright, that's a flywheel. It feels like you break it, but you don't. Alright, now for the stator, you got a couple screws in there, which we'll figure out what size it is. You don't want to strip these. Let me see. What is this on the bottom? Always a surprise when you open another motor up. These are like some star heads or something. So, let's see what we got. Get a smaller one. Damn. Well, whatever. Alright. I gotta find the tools out in the garage. I thought they would be Phillips heads. But, I'll try to lift the bike up a little bit. As you can see, just take these 3 out. Bam, bum, bum. And it pulls right out of there. Obviously, this comes with it. And then you're good. And then your crankshaft's exposed. And then you can pull your motor after you get this shit off, the sprocket. And the motor mounts, obviously. So this bike will be done. I'll probably post a video splitting the case, replacing the crank bearings, all that good stuff. So, stay tuned. Piston strut 54.5. Yep.